Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can withdraw crypto from your Binance app to Revolut. Now if you're aware, Revolut also acts as a crypto app apart from Binance. So the way you can transfer from Binance to Revolut is, first of all, you'll open up your Binance on phone. From here you'll go to wallets, and from here you'll go on withdraw. Of course, if you want to deposit, you can go on deposit, but this video targets withdrawing. We'll press on withdraw right here, and from there it'll give you an option of cryptocurrencies that you want to withdraw from. You want to withdraw BNB, BTC, Ethereum, that's your choice, USDT. You can choose one of these cryptocurrencies that you want to withdraw, and then you'll basically just press on it, and when you press on it, it'll give you two options: send via crypto network and send via email, phone, or pay ID. Now of course you'll just select this, since Revolut is a known crypto address, and you will send it via crypto network. And then after that, you'll go on your Revolut crypto option. As soon as you go on your crypto on your Revolut, which you'll find at the bottom right corner next to Rev Points, you'll find crypto. You'll just press on crypto from there. And from there, you'll just copy your Revolut crypto address and you'll paste it right here. You'll select your network as well, and you need to make sure that your selected network is the same as the network of the platform you are withdrawing funds to. So just select the same network as Revolut and Binance, and after that, you will also select your amount as well. You can choose one of these options: BNB Smart Chain or BNB Beacon Chain. It of course depends on what cryptocurrency you're sending. You'll press on confirm, and then you will enter your withdrawal amount, how much you want to send to your Revolut. And finally, you will be prompted to confirm the transaction again. You will just check your order details and you will just confirm this from here, and this money will arrive in your Revolut. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.